How to make Aloo Wadi. Today I am making delicious and traditional Maharashtrian snack, Aloo Wadi, made using fresh Colocasia leaves and a flavor-packed besan filling. It's crispy, tangy, spicy, and absolutely perfect as an evening snack or a starter. Ingredients you'll need are tamarind, 2 cups of besan, that is chickpea flour, 5 to 6 green chillies, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, ginger, cumin, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, coriander leaves, water, oil, and aloo leaves, also known as colocasia or taro leaves. Let's get started. Let's start the recipe. First, we will soak half a cup of tamarind in water for 20 minutes and then remove the pulp. Prepare the chutney. In a mixer jar, add green chillies, garlic, ginger, and cumin seeds and grind it. This chutney will be used for the filling. Let's make the besan filling. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of besan, 2 to 3 tablespoons rice flour. Then add the spices, salt to taste, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. Add the chutney we made earlier along with the tamarind pulp. Mix everything well and gradually add water to make a thick paste. Once the paste is ready, add freshly chopped coriander and mix it again. Leave this besan filling to rest for 20 minutes. Until then, let's prep the leaves. Wash the aloo leaves thoroughly and pat them dry. Slice off the big leaf veins from all the leaves in this manner. Flatten the leaves gently with a rolling pin. This helps them fold easily. Now separate the leaves according to their size. Make the aloo roll. Take the biggest leaf and place it upside down with the rough side facing upwards. Apply the besan filling evenly over the leaf. Now take a smaller leaf, place it upside down in opposite direction and apply the paste again. Repeat the same with one more leaf. The more leaves you use, the more layers your aloo vadi will have. Fold both the vertical sides of the leaf towards the center and apply more paste inside it. Gently roll the leaf like this and add a little extra paste to help it stick at the end. Let's see the roll making one more time. Steam the aloo roll. Take a steaming pot and add some water. You can also use a big pan if you don't have a steaming pot. Place a plate or a vessel with small holes or simply a smaller pan on a stand. Grease it with oil. I have already greased it with oil. Place the aloo rolls and cover it with a lid. Steam for 20 minutes on high flame. Remove the rolls and let them cool for few minutes. Aloo Wadi fry. Let's fry the aloo vadi. Take one of the steamed rolls and cut it into small pieces. The other rolls can be stored in fridge for 2 to 3 days. Heat a pan, add oil and let it become hot. Add the vadi pieces and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Serve hot and crispy as a snack or starter. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for easy and tasty homemade recipes. Bye.